Mira la cámara, mira mami. Mira, mami.
Hola, ciao!
Hello everyone, today we're gonna be unboxing these super cool Saju sunglasses so you can learn everything about it. Plus, this is a special present for the Precious Plastic team. So today you're gonna meet everyone behind the project. Okay, so here we are. This is the first time that we try to do an unboxing video. I guess this is kind of a scenario for an unboxing video. And today we're gonna show you what the one and only Saju sunglasses look like, what the whole experience is from buying them to receiving them to opening them and finally to wearing them. And we're gonna review in a bit the quality of the product itself, the finishing, as well as all the packaging and experience. Okay, a little disclaimer here now. This is not a sponsored video by Saju. This is just our own attempt to show you guys how cool precious plastic products are in 2023 and how you now have a very sustainable option at your fingertip. Okay, let's start from the very beginning. Let's open the box. Okay, so we got quite a bunch of glasses because we're gonna hand them over to our team as a gift. But you can already see how it's actually really professional, the feel of these sunglasses. It looks like that we got 3 different styles and each style is named after a city in Colombia. So we have Gafas Medellín, Bogotá y Cartagena. Also a nice detail. On the packaging, they also have some really nice details on the recycling part of it. They made with 30 grams of recycled plastic. They made with plastic that is being collected in the different cities. So just a very nice educational and awareness element to the glasses as well. Okay, but let's start from the city that we probably all know. Let's start and open the Bogotá style. On the packaging, again, really nice illustration, really nicely explained behind all the circular aspect of these glasses. Of course, there is no plastic involved in the packaging. And you also have this very beautiful cover made out of a recycled fabric. Okay, now onto the sunglasses themselves. Looking really nice. I think that the style is really spot on. Additionally, they sit very firmly onto the face. It was really snappy and really, you really feel they're never gonna fall. Additionally, they are also extremely lightweight, which feels really nice, even though they used metal hinges to increase the strength and durability of the sunglasses. But of course, one of the most interesting elements of these sunglasses is their pattern. This iconic recycled look really tells its circular story. And very often when you walk down the street, you get people talking about it, stopping you, asking, and this gives us a very good excuse to start talking about topics such as plastic recycling, plastic pollution, the circular economy. Now at this point is due a bit of behind story on these sunglasses and how they are made, designed and produced. So these sunglasses are actually designed by FOSS Barcelona, and their business model really focuses on selling the molds. So Saju bought the molds from FOSS Barcelona.
100% recycled, 100% recyclable.
And this being a very interesting model for FOSS Barcelona, me traveling around the world, I've met quite a few precious plastic workspaces that have this mold and that are making sunglasses in their own country. Now, part of this deal is also that projects need to be selling only within their country. So unfortunately, you're not going to be able to buy these sunglasses unless you're based in Colombia. But now the coolest thing of these sunglasses is how they're actually made and recycled. Saju made a whole shop and experience around recycling your own sunglasses, which is super cool. If you want to learn more, watch this video up here where we went through the whole process of recycling our own sunglasses. Okay, so these are the Bogotá style. Let's have a look at the others. Okay, so these are the different styles that we got. This is Bogotá, this is Cartagena, and finally this is Medellín. So the style is basically the shape of the sunglasses, but of course you can customize the colors, the patterns, and the lenses for each style. So you can really go wild and create your own unique recycled sunglasses. Now in 2023, these sunglasses sells for 180,000 Colombian pesos, which translate to around 40 euros, which to me seems a fantastic deal because these sunglasses are handmade and hand recycled locally. If you think of traditional glasses that cost up to 100 euro and more, and they are made in China with cheap, new virgin plastic that is gonna be a problem for future generations. These are a fantastic deal. It's only $40 for a pair of really high quality recycled sunglasses that are actually trying to make the future better rather than worse. And of course, while looking incredibly cool. Alright, I'm almost getting dizzy from changing so many glasses and lenses. But these glasses, we originally got them for the Precious Plastic team. So now let's go and give them this little surprise so that you can meet the people behind Precious Plastic. Alright, let's go!
I have a little surprise here for you. Ta-da!
Oh my god.
She's liking it.
They look so cool.
Okay, Marcela, I'm trying to introduce the team to the Precious Plastic audience.
Marcela, I'm Brazilian. I'm 24 years old and I work as a community manager for Precious Plastic. Right now I'm chasing a lot of how-tos, so you might get an email from me anytime soon.
This little present for you.
Ooh, nice.
I have one for Saju.
Nice. Ooh.
Okay, who are you?
So I'm Marwan Rasmi. I do fundraising. I want more people to be able to do decentralized production and recycle stuff. Get rid of all the plastics.
Hello, my name is Sigalan. I'm from France. I've been with Precious Plastic for the past year. It's been really great. I work mostly on the bazaar as well as supporting on other topics, but the main focus has been on the bazaar.
Caro, this is for you.
What?
Haha.
Plastic thing.
This is cool. Wow, I have original Saju.
Okay, so who are you and what do you do at Precious Plastic?
So, I'm Caro and I'm communications manager. And so I mostly do communications. All the, social media, Instagram, Reels, newsletters.
So it's you the person that is asking people for content all the
Yes,
time?
it's me. That's the annoying person who keeps...
So anyone that is doing cool stuff with plastic recycling should reach out to you.
Yes, please. We are constantly looking for some inspo and we are happy to feature any crazy project out there. So yeah, I'm always on hand of creative ideas for how you can recycle plastic.
Right, but what makes these sunglasses some of the most sustainable options for you in 2023? Of course, they're recycled, which means that they use plastic that would otherwise be a problem for the planet. Then, these glasses are recycled locally, which means the plastic doesn't have to travel back and forth across the planet, creating a lot of pollution to be recycled. And lastly, Saju employs over 20 people recycling your sunglasses day in and day out. Okay, so that's it with this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing video and let me know if you want to see more. I also very much hope that you enjoy meeting the people behind Precious Plastic and I'll see everyone in the next video. Ciao!